and welcome to another video. So everyone who is interested in data science, machine learning, AI or deep learning, this video is especially for you guys. So जो भी interested है deep learning, AI, machine learning, उनके लिए ये वीडियो बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट होने वाला है क्योंकि इस वीडियो के अंदर मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रहा हूँ डीप लर्निंग ऑन AWS। ये एक वर्कशॉप होने वाला है जो सुमन देवनाथ, एक प्रिंसिपल डेवलपर एडवोकेट एट AWS है, वो लेने वाले हैं। तो मैं आपको ब्रीफ बता दूंगा कि ये वर्कशॉप इस वर्कशॉप का बेनिफिट क्या रहेगा, आपको क्या एडवांटेजेस मिलेंगे, आप क्या सीखेंगे, और थोड़ा बहुत ब्रीफ बता दूंगा सुमन देवनाथ के बारे में ताकि आपको पता चल सके कि वो कौन है और वो क्या करता है। यस, तो सुमन देवनाथ का प्रोफाइल, लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल आपके सामने खुला हुआ है और आप देख सकते हैं कि वो एक प्रिंसिपल डेवलपर एडवोकेट है एट AWS। और उनका ब्रीफ आप देख सकते हैं, दे हैव वर्कड इन टेक्निकल लीड फोकस ऑन QA ऑटोमेशन परफॉर्मेंस टूल्स एंड डेवलपमेंट्स and they have a long and quite detailed description about their profile, right? You can check out their GitHub also. Okay, you can check out their GitHub. You can check out like they have worked on various platforms and with the various technologies, and especially they are working knowledge in AWS with different services, right? So this was something brief about Suman Devnath. And if you see his working till now, currently he's working at as a principal developer advocate at AWS from 2019. He was a project lead at Toshiba from 2017 to 2019, a principal performance engineer at Broadcom, member of technical staff at NetApp, a senior software engineer at EMC from 2013 to 2014, and a storage solution architect from IBM, and a performance consultant also he has been, right? And he has completed his MTech in artificial intelligence, or I think he is completing right now because it is saying that 2020 to 2023, and that is from Indian Institute of Technology, Jodhpur. So, right, this was a brief about Suman Devnath, and yes, so this is his GitHub profile, and you can see he has committed on AWS Python, on Linux Live Performance Dashboard. So a lot of that was just an overview about his GitHub, right? And he has approximately 71 repositories, right? So this was just a brief about him, and now sharing with you this about this workshop that is on deep learning on AWS. So the two main things that you can see on the screen is AWS and PyTorch, and they are the two main popular tools for deploying machine learning models. So we can say there is a good probability that someone would deploy ML models on AWS or PyTorch, right? So the webinar topics will be that Suman, he will be introducing the audience with the basics of deep learning and will later dive into the nitty-gritty of building, training and deploying. So make sure that you please register for this webinar because you will be getting to learn about building the model, training and deploying ML models at the scale of using PyTorch and AWS, I mean the Amazon SageMaker, right? So even if you are basics and you do not have a lot of knowledge about machine learning, you can still enroll into this and start taking such practices into your daily amount of work so that you can become an ML developer. So what you will be learning with AWS, you will be learning AWS machine learning overview, the basic understanding of deep learning and neural networks. So you will be given that basic understanding. You will have learn how to train models on AWS using Amazon Sage Maker PyTorch, brief torch serve of a PyTorch modeling serving framework which is recently announced. Yes, so you heard it right. That's the torch serve that is also he will be giving a brief about, and the date and the time of this workshop is going to be 4 p.m. on the 25th of June. So I hope you get to see this video before the 25th of June and you register for this workshop and make sure that you utilize this workshop at its best. right? So thank you. This was it for from my side from this video. So this is the video. All those who are ML, machine learning, AW and AWS people, um, who want to make a career with ML as a developer or AI, please look forward to this video. Subscribe to this channel as well. I will be keep coming up with the recent updates, right? So that you can uh, make your career and improve your skills regarding that. So please subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends who want to seek such career, right? Thank you for watching this video.